Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. Today I have for you the RetraxONE MX bed cover. We're going to be installing this cover to our 2019 Sierra AT4 to give us a bit extra coverage and protection to anything we could possibly have sitting in the bed of our truck. The RetraxONE MX bed covers are a low-profile design that sit flush with the bed, providing a nearly seamless appearance and sealed to keep the bed of your truck as dry as possible. This is paired with the flush mount locking mechanism and sealed ball bearing rollers, allowing for an effortless roll-up operation. Constructed out of a one-piece sheet of polycarbonate, the MX bed covers are given a rugged and durable matte powder coat finish. They can also be installed easily using some simple basic hand tools. Their mounting system allows for an easy adjustability for a perfect no-hassle fit. Now the installation will be the same for any 2019 to 2020 Sierra and Silverado 1500 models. The trouble-free installation includes the mounting rails and no-drill clamps. Before we can start the installation, we will have to remove some of the packing material from the cover. Remove the screw holding the plastic retainer in place. Doing this will loosen the cover. Pull the cover out just a bit to remove the plastic shipping tube. Repeat the process on both sides of the tonneau cover. Keep one of the shipping brackets for later use as a shim. Now we can install the rails to the canister. Slide the cover into the rails and position the rail on the canister. Using the supplied screws, bolt the rail to the canister. Repeat this process for both rails. Attach the front cover on the top side of the canister. Position and bolt the cover in place using the supplied hardware. With some help, position the canister and rail assembly toward the bulkhead. Ensure the seal is positioned toward the bed of the truck to ensure a good weather strip seal. Trim the excess weather strip seal to meet up with the factory plastic bed rails. Before installing the retaining brackets, use the plastic shim removed from the canister and use it as a guide to check clearance between the tailgate and the rail. Make any adjustments necessary to be within the allowed tolerance. With the rails ready to be mounted in place, use the supplied clamps and tighten them down. While tightening the clamps in place, push down and tilt the rails to ensure a proper seal. Repeat this process for all 4 clamps. With the rails and clamps in place, you can now measure the distance of the rails between the sides of the bed. Ensure that the measurement of the rails at the bulkhead is the same or within 1/16 of an inch at the middle and end of the bed. This will allow the cover to glide easily when opening or closing. If the rails need to be adjusted, remove the clamp and turn the white adjustment screws. Each turn is 1/16 of an inch. If the rails are too close together, turn the adjustment screws counterclockwise. If the rails are too far apart, turn the adjustment screws clockwise. With all the adjustments made, install the drain tubes. Simply click the tubes in place and position the end of the tube towards an existing drain in the bed of your truck. Now with our bed rails adjusted, we can check the operation and ensure that our cover is moving smoothly through the track. For the first couple of uses, the cover will seem a bit tight. That is only because it will have to get broken in. But once that is done, it should be a smooth operation from there. The RetraxONE MX bed cover is a great option for you guys that are looking to keep anything in the bed of your truck safe and as dry as possible. The polycarbonate cover is finished off nicely with its matte powder coat finish, and as you saw with the installation, that is easily done. Its no drill clamps make this a great weekend project. The locking latch gives us superior protection when the bed cover is closed, while also allowing us to lock the latch in any location down the rail. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about Retrax products, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.